What's the one thing that sets a brand apart and makes it instantly recognizable? Yep, it's the logo. But what exactly is a logo? According to 6 Revisions, a logo is the image embodying an organization. Logos represent brands or corporate identities. A logo is more than just a cool design. It's the face of your business. It provides the first impression, setting the tone for how customers perceive your brand. Why logos matter? Brand recognition. A logo is like a name. Instead of being described by generic traits, like the guy in pink, you become known for who you are, just like how Nike's swoosh or McDonald's golden arches stand for their brands. Trust building. Over time, a well-designed logo creates a sense of trust. It becomes a visual shorthand that evokes confidence in your product or service. Storytelling. Logos tell the story of a brand. While they don't describe every detail about a company, they reflect its essence and purpose. What makes a good logo? Memorable and recognizable. A good logo sticks in your mind, just like seeing a familiar face in a crowd. Not literal. A logo doesn't need to describe what a company does, like the Apple logo doesn't scream technology. Instead, it's about being symbolic and distinctive. Consistent and versatile. Logos anchor other brand elements, like colors, fonts, and design choices. They should work across platforms, from websites to packaging. Examples of iconic logos. The Nike swoosh, simple, dynamic, and memorable, representing movement and athleticism. The McDonald's golden arches, instantly recognizable and tied to a global identity. The Apple logo, a sleek design symbolizing innovation and creativity. Your logo as a brand's identity. A logo is the first step in developing a strong, consistent brand identity. It's your introduction to the world and a visual tool for communication. It's not just about design, it's about creating an emotional connection with your audience. Now that you know what a logo truly represents, what does your logo say about your brand? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and hit subscribe for more branding insights.